Take a ride in the 2020 Ford Ranger. Tough inside and out, Ranger proves its mettle. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, remote engine start, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, lane departure warning, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, floor mats, four-wheel drive, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, climate control. Come see the car for yourself.